How to install Windows 11 on M Series Mac with Parallels. Do you want to use Windows-exclusive apps on Mac? And you're using the Apple Silicon M Series chip Mac? Don't worry, here, in this video we will show you how easy it is to install Windows 11 on your Mac with Parallels Desktop. Open browser. Search Parallels Desktop. Open the website, parallels.com. Before getting started, it's important to note that Parallels Desktop isn't free forever. The company offers a 14-day free trial, which gives you plenty of time to test your needs and see if this solution works for your needs. Let's start. Click Free Trial. Click Download Free Trial. Open your downloads. Double-click the Install Parallels Desktop.dmg. Double-click on Install Parallels Desktop. Click Open. On the End User License Agreement pop-up, uncheck Participate in Customer Experience Program, and click Accept. Parallels will now download and install. You'll be prompted to enter your administrator password to continue, and click OK. Once it's installed, the app will ask you to enable access to several directories. Click Next. Click OK to allow the app to access files. Click Finish. Parallels will start and immediately prompt you to download and install Windows 11. You can skip this step if you want to install Windows from image file or want to use another operating system. In this tutorial we are going to install Windows 11, so click Get Windows 11 from Microsoft. Click the Install Windows button to continue. The Installation Assistant will download Windows 11, and the validation and installation will begin automatically with no user interaction. It will take some time for the installation of Windows 11 to complete, so just be patient. The installation of Windows 11 is now finished. Now you can see an Installation Complete message. Click to continue. A pop-up window will open and will ask you to sign into a Parallels account. If you don't have one already, choose I am a new user. Enter your details and click Create Account. Click Accept in the bottom right-hand corner to continue. Now, you'll see a Microsoft Edge browser welcome screen that explains Windows 11 installed successfully. Close the browser. Now you'll see the Windows desktop. That's it. You now have a working copy of Windows 11 on your Apple Silicon Mac. Now you can adjust the settings and amount of resources you want to allocate to your virtual machine. Hope this video helps you. Please like and share. Thank you.